It's the best gift you can give yourself. I've been meditating now for the past 5 years. I love it.
And I've been medicating for the past 20, so. Dirty distractions. I'm more interested in that.
Hey, I'm Andy.
I'm Mike.
And this is your Abraham
Hicks Fix. Andy, what quote you got for us today?
Okay, I went on my Instagram. I got an Abraham Hicks quote for you. We're going to rock it. Mike and I are going to break it down, make it fun, entertaining, and applicable. Here we go. Abraham says, use whatever excuse you can to vibrate in harmony with those things you've been saying you want. And when you do, those things that are a vibrational equivalent flow into your experience in abundance. Not because you deserve it, not because you earned it, but because it's a natural consequence of the law of attraction. That which is like unto itself is drawn.
Whoa, I fell asleep there, Andy. What the hell does that mean?
You tell me.
I fell asleep halfway through. Something about excuses.
It's such an amazing law, this law. When you're a vibrational match to your desires, they have to come. Not because you deserve it, not because you earned it, because it's just the natural consequence of the law of attraction. You've got to be in harmony with your desires.
That's right. So what keeps people from being in harmony? What keeps you from being in harmony, Andy? I know you can't sing, not that kind of harmony, but what keeps you from not being in harmony?
Distractions, lazy and lousy focus, the news, social media, Netflix, all these distractions that we're bombarded with zap our vibe, and then we're not in harmony with our desires.
That's true. And there's so many different things, like you said. I mean, there's so many distractions that we have. We're not even aware of it because we're kind of like oversensitized, or I should say desensitized to all this stuff. But when you stop and take a look back, you're like, oh my God, I am so distracted.
Right? Monkey mind. We got to become conscious. So for you, the viewer, if you're watching this and you're like, yeah, I know, where are my desires? It's not about believing or feeling I earned it. It's I got to line up with it. So how do you line up with your desire? How do you do that, Tarby?
One of the best things is to be aware of your distractions and kind of minimize them. Get them out of your life. Stop watching. I don't watch the news anymore. Oh my gosh, my blood pressure was like sky high.
The news and Netflix do not care about your dreams. They're actually murdering people's dreams. People put all this time and energy on the news and Netflix as escapism, or just let me plug myself into all the negative news going on. And now you're not in alignment with abundance and happiness and health and harmony.
That's right. So the thing is take a step back, clear out a lot of this negative energy all around you, stop with the distractions and just kind of be with yourself. And that's the whole key with meditation and why that's so powerful.
Yeah. Because when you meditate, you let go of resistance. You quiet your mind. Now, I know you're thinking, but I got monkey mind. You got to practice. It's the best gift you can give yourself. I've been meditating now for the past 5 years. I love it.
And I've been medicating for the past 20, so.
I
don't get the same results, but I just had to throw that in there.
I love it. That's what we want. We want to have fun with this. I'm sure some people out there are medicating as well. Hey, if it releases some resistance, that's good. But, meditation now shows that you can get off of your meds if you would just meditate.
That's true. Meditate, don't medicate. You're going to be hearing from the pharmaceutical company, though. Their lawyer soon.
And here's a way to get in alignment with your desires. You focus on it. You feel it. You talk about it. You start to act as if it's already in your life. I love the Bob Proctor quote. I used this yesterday in a live video where you start saying, I'm so happy and grateful that I now have a thriving business. And you talk about that business and the difference it's making, how much fun it is. That brings you into harmony, so then it has to come to you.
Yes, that's very good. And harmony is so key. Harmony key. Music reference.
Are we in the key of C or G?
No, meditation is, I just started doing it. We've been friends a long time. You told me to do it for the past 100 years, I think. And I never really did it. I dabbled in it, but I never really did it to the degree that I really felt anything. Now that I'm starting to make a commitment to it, I got to tell you, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
Are you feeling it?
I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. I'm starting to see the difference. I feel more at ease. I feel more relaxed. Things that would normally upset me don't upset me as much or to the same amount. It's all good.
Yeah, it is all good. And so, yeah, that's how you activate the law of attraction and let those things you've been desiring and wanting into your life by letting go of resistance. Meditation's one way. Playing That's Right is another way. Let's do a round of That's Right, 68 seconds, holding a positive vibe, back and forth. You talk about what you want, what it's going to feel like, and then the flow is on.
I love That's Right. That's right. Let's do That's Right.
That's right. You're allowing your desires to come.
That's right. I'm allowing the natural universe to bring me what I want.
That's right. I'm letting go of the resistance.
That's right. There's no reason for me to have any resistance.
That's right. I'm focusing on what I want.
That's right. And I'm not focusing on what I don't want.
That's right. I'm getting into the feeling as if I was already living it.
That's right. And I can actually feel as if it's happened.
That's right. The more I get into the feeling as if it's happened, the quicker it will happen.
That's right, because that's really what the law of attraction is all about.
That's right. All you got to do is focus your mind on what you want and don't allow for negative, nasty, dirty distractions.
Dirty distractions. I'm more interested in that, but all right.
That's right. I like some dirty distractions every once in a while.
That's right. Andy has a lot of dirty distractions.
That's right. I like my dirty distractions, but then I can clean them up.
Okay, good. Yes, that's right. You just need to kind of get rid of the distractions and allow the good feelings to happen.
That's right. Just watching us makes you feel good.
That's right. That's right.
That's right. You can have a big, juicy life if you want it.
Oh, no, don't go there. That's not fair. That's not fair.
It's true.
I'll have to do a
You
plug.
can have
My
a
book
big,
is
juicy life.
my plug right here. My book is Living Your Big Juicy Life: The Secrets to Having More Love, Joy, and Success. Thank you. Available on Amazon. Thank you.
That's right. You could be an author too.
That's right. I am an author. Don't you see that giant book behind me? What do you think that is?
That's right. Well, I love Abraham Hicks.
That's right. I love Abraham Hicks. In all seriousness, too. I mean, this stuff really works, and we're going to be sharing a lot more gems with you, these quotes, and we're going to try and dive in a little bit deeper, have some experiences, but we want to hear from you.
That's right. What do you want to? What challenges are you having in your life or applying the Abraham Hicks material? We would love to make a video out of it.
Yes, I mean, there's so many different things, and I've been really diving back into it for the past 4 months, and I am amazed. I'm shocked at some of the stuff that, how did I miss this? It's so simple, it's so powerful, and we want to share more of that with you, and we want to hear what gems that you have for us.
Yeah, that's right. We want to hear, we want you to give us your gems.
What do you have against gems, Andy?
I got nothing. I want gems, man. You know, those nuggets, those pieces of wisdom where Abraham spouts something out and you're like, did they just say that? That is unbelievable. Like our expectations of other people affect how other people show up in our life. Like that still blows my mind.
Yes, and it's so powerful, and it filters everything, all of your experiences.
I know. When you change your thoughts and beliefs, you change the story you're telling yourself, you really can change your reality. You can go from point A to point B pretty quickly. All right. Well, this has been great, quick, fun, activate some good vibes. We're here to give you your Abraham Hicks Fix. Please leave questions, comments, thumbs up, thumbs down. Just tell us what you think. And we're going to keep the beat moving around, get you in the vortex.
Yes, get in the vortex.
Where you can have great sex.
Only you would rhyme that vortex with sex, but that's cool. It's good.
Or the Matrix.
Matrix is a sex movie.
Dominatrix, I meant.
Stop the video.
All right, we're just having fun. Because, that's a big part of the whole Abraham teachings is you got to have fun with this stuff. And people are trying so hard and they get in the hot seat and they're like, I don't know why my thing isn't working.
And a lot of people do sound like that.
They do.
They do.
All right, Yes. So we're going to tease you guys. We're going to have fun. We're going to uplift, inspire, educate, and entertain. And just keep rocking those good vibes. Get everybody in the vortex.
Yes. Remember, you can do it. You deserve it. You're totally worthy. You don't have to really do anything. It's about not doing. So.
Yeah. Meditate.
Meditate.
All right. Signing off. We'll catch you on the next episode. We're rolling in the vortex.
Oh, the V. Got to do V for vortex.
V. The vortex.